gon' do this my way. Up running around like you forget who I am. But I made you, don't you forget that. Starting on your friends like you ain't hop on my wave. I helped your style, I helped you grind, and you.
Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you like my content, feel free to like, share, subscribe, click the notification down below so you'll be notified each time I post a video. Today I'll be doing a hair review from Beautiful Forever Hair. Without further ado, let's get to it. This is from Beautiful Forever and it is their headband bob unit. It came with 2 headbands and a stocking cap. The unit has 3 combs and adjustable strap at the back and the velcro. This is how the unit is looking when you put it on, guys. From looking at this unit, you realize it needs some finesse. So you gotta go in with your flat iron and flat this hair out, guys.
Ain't no chick for you like I did. So you better stop playing with me before this turns out ugly. I ain't got time, I ain't got patience, but you gon' stop spreading those false news. Tell your little girl to calm down too, cause I want you, I want you. X for a reason, so last season you can have my seconds, poor thing, don't know what you got yourself into. Let's keep this real, never gonna find someone this real, so stay in check. I got a big ego, such a huge ego.
This is the finished look, guys. It is Beautiful Forever 14-inch headband wig. It is on the silky side. My only con, it sheds a little, guys. So if you're interested, you can check the description and go and check Beautiful Forever hair out. These are some of the ways in which I style the unit. I just play around with the hair. That's all. Thank you all for watching. Until next time, bye.
So you better stop playing with me before this turns out ugly. You build a bed, your girl living off what I built. Boy, you better stop and chill before I start.